Ladybugs fly away, lacewings fly away, and praying mantids just eat each other. So how do you get beneficial bugs to actually stay in your garden? Last week I talked about how buying beneficial insects for your garden or houseplants can be hit or miss. Emphasis on the miss with a few exceptions. So this week, how to attract them naturally so they show up on their own and actually want to stick around. Let's start with ladybugs. Their larvae are born hungry, like immediately hungry. They hatch with zero patience and need food right away. So some gardeners keep a sacrifice plant, something aphids love like nasturtium or sunflower, and just let the aphids have at it. Ladybugs see that feast and lay their eggs on or near the plant, so the larvae wake up to an all-you-can-eat aphid bar within crawling distance. Adult ladybugs need food too, especially when their usual prey is scarce, and they love nectar and pollen. Since they're tiny little guys, flat-topped flowers are their favorite. Yarrow, dill, fennel, cilantro, parsley, pretty much anything in the carrot family. Flat and bunched together means they can crawl from flower to flower without much effort, just like a ladybug food court. They're also attracted by bright colors, so toss in some cosmos, marigolds, and sweet alyssum. They need shelter too. A small pile of brush or leaf litter in the corner of your garden gives them somewhere to hide and rest. And come winter, they need a place to hibernate. Hollow plant stems are perfect, like milkweed or hydrangea. That's their cozy little hibernation pod until their big spring wake-up call. Praying mantids are the same. Food and shelter, just like everyone else. They're not picky eaters, so as long as there are plenty of insects around, they'll happily set up shop. They're especially drawn to roses, raspberry, and blackberry plants, so put some of those in the mix. And here's a tip that helps every beneficial insect, including the pollinators. A shallow dish like a plant saucer with some pebbles and water. Bugs get thirsty too, especially on really hot days. The pebbles give them something to land on so they don't drown while they're having a drink. Placing a cut flower or two in the tray will bring all the pollinators in too. Bees, wasps, butterflies, ladybugs, and mantids. It'll be a regular bistro. Attracting beneficial insects comes down to one idea. Build the habitat and the bugs will come. Skip buying bugs that'll just fly off. Give them food, shelter, and water, and they'll come to you. Got a beneficial bug success story? Or a hilarious failure? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for more ways to turn your garden into a 5-star bug hotel. If you missed last week's video about buying beneficial bugs, I'll link it in the credits. And of course, thanks for watching.
If your plants look sad and you lost all hope, tried everything, you're at the end of your rope. Should you throw them out into the street? Nope, just ask Planty Jen. If you wanna be a Planty acolyte, learn the tips and tricks to keep them growing right. Water, fertilizer, and the right amount of light, just ask Planty Jen.